HHRC, or the Homeless and Housing Resource Center, is a central hub of free, easily accessible training and tools. We are funded by the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration to provide free training on evidence-based practices that support people who are at risk of homelessness and experiencing a serious mental illness, a substance use disorder, or co-occurring disorders. Our work promotes housing stability, recovery, and an end to homelessness. To create these tools, HHRC partners with experts across the field, including people with lived expertise. Here are the resources that HHRC offers. Online courses. HHRC partners with experts across the field, including people with lived expertise, to create engaging and informative online courses. Our free, self-paced online courses range from 1.5 to 4 hours and are accredited for continuing education units by the National Association of Social Workers. Some courses provide instructions to foundational concepts that are great for new staff, such as introductions to housing and treatment models. Others provide deeper dives into important components of homelessness that are useful to both new and seasoned service providers. Within each course, you can take notes and bookmark interesting pages to return to at any time. You will also have access to a course glossary that defines important terms and acronyms. Webinars. HHRC hosts live webinars featuring program staff, researchers, and people with lived experience of homelessness and substance use or mental health treatment. Topics include supporting people with serious mental illness, such as psychosis or depression, through outreach, housing access, and connections with treatment and recovery supports. During these webinars, we provide education on evidence-based practices and emerging trends by highlighting programs that are providing innovative services and reaching new people.
A quick review of our agenda. So we're going to talk a little bit about what xylazine is, talk about how to respond to opioid overdoses or xylazine overdoses when xylazine is present in your drug supply, review some harm reduction approaches around xylazine use, talk specifically about wound care needs and the wounds that can be caused by xylazine. And then we have a panel discussion that will also be with our 4 experts who are joining us today.
To ensure that our webinars benefit as many people as possible, they feature live captioning in English and American Sign Language and Spanish interpretation. Webinar recordings are available on demand in the HHRC Webinar Archive and include human captioning in both English and Spanish. Resource Library. HHRC provides a wide range of written resources, including both bite-sized articles and fact sheets and more in-depth guides and toolkits. They feature helpful fact sheets, articles, and toolkits to aid in staff's daily work. All written resources are available in English and Spanish. We recognize that when new staff join the field, there is a lot to learn. To help service providers onboard new professionals, we've compiled many of our resources into the New Staff Orientation Guide. This guide highlights online courses, webinars, and written tools that introduce staff to topics in the areas of substance use, serious mental illness, achieving and maintaining housing, and treatment and engagement models. Job Board. HHRC maintains a public job board featuring opportunities submitted by agencies nationwide serving people experiencing homelessness. Agencies interested in advertising a job opening can submit their opportunity on the HHRC website. HHRC does not charge fees to advertise or view job listings. Visit our website at hhrctraining.org. There, you can register for a free account to take our courses, access all of our tools and webinars, and sign up for our newsletter to be updated on new resources from HHRC and our partners.